We are thrilled to announce the opening of the new Agri-Skills Transfer Groenkloof City Campus, operational in February 2025. This facility will be dedicated to provide high-quality agricultural education. So why not join us if you want to enroll in a course in plant production or animal production? We will be offering plant production 2-year National Diploma as well as a 2-year National Diploma in animal production. The modes of delivery in the first year will be face-to-face contact tuition. Classes will be held from Monday to Thursdays 8 to 1600 hours, and students will complete their logbooks to do their practicals. Every 5 weeks you will leave for a week practical training at our Cullinan farm just outside Pretoria, and in the second year students will have to complete their practical year by completing their logbooks. So if you want more information to enroll at our city campus in Groenkloof for 2025, contact us today on 012-460-9585 or send us an email to admin@agriskills.net so that we can assist you to become part of the agricultural movement for 2025. Agri-Skills Transfer offers agricultural training with a difference.